It's really P.O. Box Day. I've been away traveling to different places. Really haven't been in my apartment. And also, I've just been doing school and singing. That I have to pay the bills and a little bit of working with side business and everything. But I got some packages in the mail. I got these lovely boxes from Sour Punch. They even sent me a dope shirt, like this. I'm like, okay, this calm in the front, but the back, embrace the punch. Okay, let me stop. But they sent me not just like one box. Like you would think it's like one box. Like, oh, cool. No, they sent me 6. So we're about to have fun. All right, cool. And the boxes have different stuff in it. So yeah, I started being greedy. I'm so sorry. My brother gave up something for Lent, but he didn't give everything up for Lent. All right. Yeah. So first, we got these. First of all, let me read the box. Ready? Sour Punch. Hold on. Wait. Let me make it nice. Cut. I said cut. Okay. Sour Punch mini bites. Strawberry, green apple, blue raspberry. It says share me, but I usually be greedy. But whatever. Yeah, I already opened up a pack. So let's try. This is like a little mini pack. Ooh. I just tried strawberry. That's a classic. There go the kick. Green apple. I know this one gonna bust. I just embrace the punch, Ooh, Harley. Okay. Blue raspberry. That's calm. Then we got the ones that came in this box. Oh. I tried to open it up right here. Didn't work, so I had to take it from the top. 5, 6, 7. No, I'm just playing. Sour Punch, filled straws, blue raspberry, and lemonade. I think this is gonna bust. Okay. This is gonna bust. Like I said, I opened one pack already. Let's try. Wait a minute. Where these been at? Where these been at? Wait a minute. Hey. Okay, then I was like, what is in this box? Like, what, for real? Like, what is in this box? Then I opened it up, and it was, ba-bam! Sour Punch gummies. The flavors in there is grape, lemon, strawberry, and blue raspberry. Again, I made sure I opened up a pack so we can get straight to it. Blue raspberry. Wait a minute. These look a little bit different than these. Man. Got the mouth a little watery too. Grape. Okay. That's this lemon. Hold on. That lemon right, let me try the strawberry. Again, strawberry tastes a little different than these bars. Okay. All right. So if I had to rank these, this is number one. This is number one. This is number two. It's really a close like 1-2 punch. And then this will go in last. But overall, thank you, Sour Punch. I'm gonna embrace my punch. And yeah. But you know what? There's a lot that I can share with people. We'll figure that out in the next video. So embrace your punch with Sour Punch. Yeah!